KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a hot one out there today. Temperatures reaching the mid-90s, specifically 96 in Lafayette, 5 degrees shy of a record. And got to remember, this time of year, records upper 90s to about 102, 103. Maybe threatening one or two of those as we head into the weekend and all of next week, the way it's shaping up. So let's talk about what's dominating this pattern. And it's this big ridge of high pressure that continues to slide toward the Gulf of Mexico. Mexico City yesterday, it was south of Laredo today, and now, well, it's just over the Brownsville area, and it's moving generally to the east-northeast. And this is what's going to be dominating our weather pattern and also keeping showers and thunderstorms kind of pushing that storm track away from us. So we're going to see that for quite a while. We're going to have storms very close to our area. In fact, maybe as close as Avoyelles, Rapides, Parishes in the days ahead. But it looks like Acadiana is going to be missing out on the storm track and the storm train that continues again tonight. Strong to severe storms expected in Oklahoma this evening and then across the Arklatex, where there continues to be a severe thunderstorm watch at least till midnight. But things seem to be winding down. But we have a couple of nasty cells here, more than likely producing large hail right just along and north of the I-10 corridor. One storm impacting the Monroe area, and then another one in North Louisiana, and then up toward the Texarkana area, where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for right now. These could probably garner warnings as well, but they are probably producing maybe hail below severe levels. Here locally in Acadiana, we have another couple of blips on here, and I saw this at 6 o'clock, and I wasn't sure what it was until I found out on some high-resolution satellite imagery. A couple of fires up here in Vernon Parish. The winds are generally from the west-northwest to the east-southeast, so we're just slicing this smoke layer, these batches of smoke moving across the area, so don't get excited. It's not rain. It's just smoke that Power Doppler 3 is picking up, but very sensitive radar. We can't see it on any other National Weather Service radars, but we're seeing it on ours. Pretty cool stuff there. So overnight tonight, it's going to be fair, warm, and humid. Temperatures right in the upper 70s, lower 80s by 7 o'clock in the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, mid-90s, heat indices 102 to 107. And you can see mostly sunny skies. Then we move into Thursday morning, much the same. Notice a few showers close by, but most of the action stays north of the region. Temperatures even hotter on Thursday, 97 to 98 degrees. And then we do the same going into Friday as well. You see those storms skirting just to the north of us, but staying away. And again, another hot one approaching 100 degrees starting as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Upper 70s, lower 80s overnight tonight. Then for tomorrow, mid-90s. That heat index is going to be up there, of course, right near 80 again for tomorrow night. And then we move into Thursday. It's a couple of degrees hotter, and that heat index gets a little bit hotter as well and more widespread. So here we have 105 heat indices. I have that in the lighter shade of pink. You see that back toward Texas. Tomorrow, 101 to 107. A good bet most areas, and then watch how that area expands going into Thursday, and it's going to be even more expansive as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and beyond as well. Here's the forecast for the heat indices tomorrow at 100 or above, starting at 9 a.m. and staying above 100 probably till about 6:30, 6:45 tomorrow evening. I definitely want to avoid the midday hours from noon to about 3. That's when the sun is at its most fierce, and those heat indices are at their highest. So 79 the overnight low tonight. A little bit of a tropical breeze out there, but less than what we were expecting earlier. The winds very light out of the south-southwest, but there is a little bit of a breeze. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be a hot one once again. 95, 96 the high. A nice breeze. We'll see those towering cumulus clouds off to the north, but they won't be impacting us. And as we move into the 10-day forecast, 97 for Thursday, Friday, upper 90s for the weekend, and the latest model data coming in with 100-degree high temperature for Juneteenth on that Monday. And then next week, still upper 90s. Maybe, just maybe, a break in the pattern Thursday, Friday of next week when we could see some storms, but can't go much higher than rain chances at 20% for right now because it's days 9 and 10 in the 10-day
So you did
forecast.
it. You put a triple digit down there.
I know, and it wasn't a heat index.
How long has it been? It's been a while.
It's been a while. We've had a few 99s where we were forecasting 100 in the past, but this looks to be so far, and it's going to be hard to tell, biggest heat wave we've seen since 2015, so 8 years. And we might be working our way backwards for a little bit of a bigger event if these forecast numbers verify.
Here we go.
Yep.
Here we go.
Thank you, Rob.